still got an old motor in that thing. Yeah, that was my thing. Man, he got too much fuel pressure. He got some heads on it. Let me see if he know anything. Hey, look out, you be doing your motors and stuff? Okay. What the fuel pressure supposed to be on? It depends.
You run your nitrous, you do your gas tank, or you got fuel.
Okay. You got nitrous in your fuel. How you got yours ran? You got you split the line and ran a big pump back there? Okay. Do that mess with the fuel line that go to the carburetor? What it supposed to be? I'm used to 7 and 6.
7 and 6. But you run the nitrous the same, you want it to be about 9.
Yeah.
So drop down when you on the gas full throttle. You don't want your fuel pressure.
Yeah, you don't want to. Okay, yeah. They say after 5 you done leaned out.
Pop and blow.
Yeah. We don't want that. You done did that before?
What?
Blew up like that. You done seen it. So why you think people be running so low fuel pressure? Is it going faster with that lower fuel pressure?
All things. That shit man-made. Fuel pumps go up.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Them fuel pumps.
Oh shit. Temperature usually change.
Yeah. So when it get cold outside, do you add more fuel or less?
Depending on that shit. See, I'm from Louisiana.
Oh, you from Louisiana? Okay, I'm from Dallas, Texas.
So this weather right here new to me.
Yeah.
So I couldn't tell you.
Yeah, you gotta go make you a shakedown and see.
We used to wet.
Yeah, all that water.
We used to do that hot air. It's kind of damp.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So the car gonna act different in different climates.
Yeah.
You know, like you go up north.
Yeah.
Your car gonna run way more fucked up.
Yeah, they said
In a
that.
higher
Altitude, elevation. Okay. Man. Well, I see you out here, man. I see you out here doing your thing. Let me give you my YouTube channel. That's my YouTube channel. Look Out Racing. Already. Oh, you already on there? Already. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, you can get one. Bam. Look Out Racing. I'm gonna be on there. I'm gonna have it posted.
Look out. Okay.
Yes, sir. Look out. Let me go up here and see what Black Blur he done pulled up in the line, y'all. I don't want to miss the burnout or nothing. Let me run. Okay, he ain't even do nothing. Made me run all the way over here. I'm gonna cut it off.
Left lane, G-Dog. Okay. Crew chief said left lane.
Nah. He keep it clean, y'all. I said he keep it clean. Let me see them tail lights. Ooh, he got some new tail lights on it. Dang. They been buffing on the tail lights, y'all. I think it's something about the Monte Carlo tail light that can help you with the year of the car. I think it's where they position the reverse light. On the other ones, I think it's up under. It's I don't remember. It's something with that. But yeah, I think this like a newer model where they put it all in one light. This might be a Rike should know. Rike, you know what?
Hell no, I ain't riding nothing. I'll bet some money though. I ain't riding shit. No, I ain't riding. If you ride out,
Bad Boy Blue. Bad Boy Blue, he say you need to record on the GoPro, then edit and put your video out. That's what most YouTubers do. Yeah, I use my phone and edit that. What's wrong with? Let me see where he at. Bad Boy Blue, do you think the footage that I'm recording now, a GoPro would be better? Like what I'm gonna do? Like replace my phone with the GoPro, or you think this look good enough? Cause I could just edit this video in case you didn't know. But you making it sound like the GoPro gonna show better than this. And then what I'm gonna do about the live? So what, I'm gonna stop the live, get a GoPro and record with that, or I don't get how you picture doing it. What I really need is probably another editor on the team that can edit all this. Go back, get my live. Go back and get my live. Boco can stream on Twitch, but I'm not sure if the quality will be better. And I'm already streaming on Team Thundercock with the gifted sub. I don't know what he gifted. I don't know how to, gotta figure out what's the difference between the gifts on that. Cam Light 12 with the sub. Appreciate it, man. Pharmacy Freak with the follow. He must be stealing out of the pharmacy, y'all. That's an old hydrocodone ball stealing. He breaking the pharmacies, man. A pharmacy freak. He know all the names of the drugs and what they do, how long they take to work, and all that, y'all. Now the phone fire. I'm just trying to help you get where you want to go. I'm asking you how to. You gotta be a little bit not more. Man, listen. All I'm saying is I'm holding my phone now. Are you saying hold a GoPro and a phone? Or are you saying replace the phone with a GoPro? Or what are you saying? You only leaving one sentence. That ain't helping. That ain't helping. You saying the phone fire. Gotcha. The phone fire. So where do a GoPro come in with this fire phone? Do I put the fire phone down and pick up the GoPro? You gotta explain more, man. Help everybody in the chat understand. Treat us like we don't know nothing of what you talking about. Cause right now, I'm looking at it. I got a phone. I'm recording. It's gonna be downloaded, and I can edit this live. What is wrong with that? Or where should this GoPro be? That's what we asking. Help us all out. If anybody understand what he trying to say, y'all can translate it for me. I accept all translations. Who was that up there? Shrek? Biceps? Ah, we got an old push-up pumping motherfucker on the line. He be doing them push-up. Get a freaking cam, bro. Yeah, don't nobody even do. Look out, man. We out here in the building, man. Trying to do something. I be everywhere, man. Memphis, Georgia, Florida, XRP, Yellow Belly, Ennis, Darlington, Orlando. Man, I pull up, man. I pull up. You hear me? I pull up quick. Man, I'm trying to. They said that's the way. Man, I'm in Memphis. They said that's the way to do it. Man, you got to be down and go everywhere.